Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. What do they do at work? Set 2. Places around town. A barber shop. A library. A movie theater. A hotel. A flower shop. A hair salon. A convenience store. A zoo. What do they do? A barber. A librarian. Box office. Housekeeping. A florist. A hairdresser. A clerk. A zookeeper. It's a barber shop. A barber. A barber cuts hair. Cuts hair in a barber shop. It's a library. A librarian. A librarian helps people in a library. It's a movie theater. Box office. Box office sells tickets in a movie theater. It's a hotel. Housekeeping. Housekeeping cleans rooms in a hotel. It's a flower shop. A florist. A florist arranges flowers in a flower shop. It's a hair salon. A hairdresser. A hairdresser styles hair in a hair salon. It's a convenience store. A clerk. A clerk assists people in a convenience store. It's a zoo. A zookeeper. A zookeeper attends animals in a zoo. Now it's your turn. A barber cuts hair in a barber shop. A librarian helps people in a library. box office sells tickets in a movie theater? Housekeeping cleans rooms in a hotel. A florist arranges flowers in a flower shop. A hairdresser styles hair in a hair salon. A clerk assists people in a convenience store. A zookeeper attends animals in a zoo. Okay, great job. I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.